Hello friends, welcome back to Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz and Wake Up and Makeup. So we are going to do an eye look this morning. I already have the bones of my makeup on. I've already got my Cashmere Complexion Full Wear Foundation. I have some concealer on. I already have the brows done and the cheeks done. We're already contoured, but I'm going to do eyes. So we are going to use the new Mega palette. Oh, I used my blush. I love the blush in this palette. I'm shocked, but I don't normally use the blush in these Mega palettes, but I love it. So we're going to use these eye colors. I'm going to use some of these in the middle. Aren't they so pretty? So let's hop in and talk a little bit about, are you organized? That seems to be a topic I have learned from a lot of moms that they really struggle with. And we're going to chat about that this morning. So, let me get my makeup brushes out here. Okay, we're going to start with, let's start with a lighter shade. Probably with this one over here in the corner. I love this shade. And we're just going to cover the lid of our eyes. I like to give like a base. I did put some VDL eye primer on too. Okay. Get up underneath that brow there and just give it a little bit of a base. And then we'll work on those mid shades. And we're going to use some of those more folly colors. So, organized. I try to keep my house in order and my business, my life in order with like list. I'm a big list user. Let's go in with, let's use this one. It's kind of a goldish color. I'm going to pick up a little bit of that brown. But I use a lot of list. That's one of the ways that I stay really organized. Okay, so I'm using this as a transition color. So I'm going above my crease bone because I have those hooded eyes. And I'm just working it into that space. Lists are amazing to help you stay on task and stay organized. But for me, if I'm working in like a messed up, discombobulated type area, like if my kitchen is a mess and I'm trying to cook supper, I have to clean the kitchen up before I can start cooking. I don't know. It may be a little bit of OCD, but the same thing goes for like my desk. I have to have everything in its place, and I have to have a work area on my desk that's clear for my brain to be able to like function or put things together the way I need it to be put together. And so maybe that's just the way my brain works, but I think if you go into like a messy area and you try to accomplish a task, your brain is like, bull, so much stuff going on, and I have to have it simple. Maybe that's the word. Okay, we're gonna pull this more goldish color down here. Kind of blend those two. I'm just kind of making a little cocktail. And I'm going to pull this here on the bottom part and kind of blend it into what we've got going on up here. Oh, that's pretty. It's kind of going to pull a mustard yellow kind of, which is my shirt, what I'm kind of going for today. That's pretty. I don't know if you can really see it in this light because it's so dark in here. I'm going to have to get better lights for you guys. Other side, just working that in there. Okay, pretty. Okay, let's clean up because I went out of my eye area. I'm going to show you a little trick. If you will take your concealer, if you feel like you're a little messy on the side, if you will take your concealer and I kind of go up right there, it cleans up that outer eye area and really gives you that cut edge look. Always use a beauty blender to blend. And it just cleans it right up. And then you have a more cut eye look. Yes, girl. Yes, we're rocking this today. Okay, we're going to do our cashmere eye stick and our eyeliner in After Dark. I love this eyeliner. It stays all day. It works so amazingly. Really opens up the eyes. And again, I think it maybe makes my eyes look organized. So I am very routine when it comes to organization. So I use systems even in like my housework. So like Mondays is bathroom day, where you do like showers, do your toilets, do your floors. And then Tuesdays is dusting day. Wednesdays is beds day. So I kind of break my days up. Of course, you have your basic stuff like laundry at my house is every day. Kitchen is pretty much every day because you have to clean it up after you eat. But some of those other tasks like bathrooms and changing your bed sheets, those can be done once a week. And if you just get you a good system, you can dedicate like 30 to 45 minutes to it and not have to be spending a whole day doing it. Okay. It's hard to put eyeliner on and talk at the same time. FYI. Okay, let's do our mascara and finish these eyes off. Let me pull this down a little bit so you can see better. The eyes are looking good. I'm impressed. Pulling in little different shades in, and we can do it. And I think with eyes, people tend to get a little worried or freaked out about what eyeshadows to wear. And I think it's really more like art. I think you just have to pick a couple of shades, play with different colors. We're going to do Love Mascara. You really want to probably hone in on what colors are best for your eye color. I have brown eyes, so golds are a go for me. Greens can totally pull like golds, yellows. Blues, probably not your best color. More want to go with grays and browns to really make your blue eyes pop. Love Mascara is loving on those lashes, making them longer and more full. And my tripod is falling. And lock it down here. Okay, I think we're locked down. So even my makeup, I have organized. Like I have a drawer for mascaras. I have a drawer for concealers. I have a drawer for eyeshadows. And I got this really cute little organization thing off Amazon that I use. And I have my lipsticks on the top. So it just helps me whenever I'm doing my makeup to be able to go right to what I want and not have to dig around in everything to find it. So, you know, there's little systems like that that you can use even in your kitchen, in your office, to help you get more organized. Okay, those eyes are popping this morning. We are popping. So I'm going to go over my face. Okay, let me do this one more time. Okay, I'm going to go over my face with my Magix Dust powder. I did put a little bit under the eye area when I did those eyes, but we're going to go over the entire face now and set our look. Yes, girl. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's pull some lipstick. We're going to go with our Chic Cocoa in Lip Essence. has that anti-aging ingredient in there. Yes, girl. Look at those eyes. Ooh. So, do I think you have to be perfectly organized to be successful? No. But I do know that being organized somewhat helps cut down on my stress level and makes things not be quite as overwhelming to me because I have a system in place. I have, things organized, and I know where and what I need to do next. So it kind of takes the brain work out of it. So, all right, I got to do something with this hair. Thank you so much for joining me for Wake Up and Makeup this morning. Leave me a comment. Let me know. Do you struggle with organization, or girl, do you got it? So have a great day. Thanks for getting ready with me. Bye, guys.